If you're new to Forex trading, what I'm about to show you in the next few minutes is going to blow your mind. Seriously, you need to watch this. Let's go. We're talking about how to find the trend in any given market we choose. Here you see we're on the 1 hour chart as just an example. Yes, this looks like an uptrend, but what about here? What's the dangers of trading here, or in this section here, or in this section here? How do we know whether to buy or sell the market? What I'm going to show you now is so easy and so quick, quite honestly, it will blow your mind. Here we go. So we're on the MT4 platform. We're going to look at our trading indicators, and we're going to put this MTF moving average, multi-time frame moving average, onto the chart, and I'm about to show you how we can see the trend clearly and instantly. I'll drag it over. I'm going to set the moving average time frame to 1 day. We're on the 1 hour chart. Click OK, and here you go. How do we know if it's an uptrend or a downtrend? We simply look at whether price is above the multi-time frame moving average or below. Price is above, so we will only look to buy the market in this area here, or in this area, or here. We'll only look to buy here. We'll only look to buy here. You will lose them, some trades from now, every now and then. We will not be selling here. We will only be looking at buying. Here it's dipped below the multi-time frame moving average, so we will only be looking to sell. There are no trade setups to sell anyway. Here we will be looking at buying. There's no opportunities to buy there anyway. There are opportunities here to buy. We would have bought the market. We would only be looking at buying in this area, in this area, in this area. You see here, if we put a shape in, that area there is where we will look to buy. This area here. And again, one more area. Let's pick here. We would only be looking to buy the market because price is above the multi-time frame moving average. This will save you so much trouble in knowing what to do and how to do it. Believe me, this is so simple and so easy. If you haven't got this indicator and you want it, then visit my website. The link to the website is in the description below, and you can get it there. But honestly guys, if you're trading Forex on the MT4 chart, quite simply, look, you will only be looking to buy, buy, buy. Even here, buy. You will not be looking to sell, but you will be looking to sell now that price is below the multi-time frame moving average. Sell, sell, sell. You see? This is how you identify the trend so quickly and so easily. Again, it's so easy, so simple, and you will be able to find the trend in any market instantly. Believe me, you need this indicator in your life if you are a serious Forex trader.